Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to upload files on GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click your profile name on the top right and go to My Products page. Now we need to scroll a little bit down and here will be your hosting plans. At the moment, I'm using a managed WordPress hosting, so I will choose this one. It doesn't matter if you have got a regular hosting or WordPress hosting, the process is similar. So you need to click manage on the right side. Now you need to click manage hosting right here. You need to go to settings on the top. Scroll a little bit down until you will see file browser and you need to click open. And here is your file manager. Here you can upload files, guys. Before you will upload, you can create a folder here or just upload a file. So click upload. At the moment, I can upload a file with maximum size 100 megabytes. So you need to click browse files. You need to select the file and it will automatically upload this file to your GoDaddy. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.